Can you be bankrupt? From your bank account? Ever heard of a bank going bust? It's a scary situation, but luckily, there are safeguards in place to protect your deposits. But what about the bank you use for everyday transactions? The one where you get your paycheck deposited? Can that account itself leave you financially stranded? Well, let's say you recently switched to Tide. It's a popular option for freelancers and entrepreneurs, offering features like expense tracking and integrations with popular business tools. But a question might be nagging at you. Can you transfer money out of your Tide bank account? Because hey, if you can't move your money around freely, is it really a bank account at all? That's exactly what we'll be diving into today's video. So buckle up, whether you're a seasoned Tide user or just curious, we're about to explore the ins and outs of money transfers with Tide. Understanding Tide, not your typical bank account. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Tide isn't exactly a traditional bank. It operates under a fintech, financial technology, umbrella, which means it provides many features similar to a bank but with a tech-focused approach. This slight difference is crucial because traditional banks are FDIC insured, meaning the government protects your deposits up to a certain amount in case the bank fails. Tide, on the other hand, leverages FDIC insurance through partner banks. So, can you transfer money out of Tide? Absolutely. Here's the good news. Tide offers multiple ways to transfer money out of your account, giving you the flexibility you need to manage your finances. ACH transfers. This is a common method for electronic transfers between bank accounts. You'll need your recipient's routing and account number to initiate an ACH transfer from your Tide account. Debit card. Tide provides a debit card that you can use for online and in-store purchases. This is a convenient way to access your funds directly, although keep in mind transaction fees might apply depending on your usage. Checks. While not the most common method these days, Tide does allow you to order checks for sending payments. External wallets. If you use a popular money management app like Venmo or Zelle, you can potentially link your Tide account to transfer funds in and out. However, it's always best to check with Tide support to confirm compatibility. Transfer limits and fees. Know before you go. While Tide offers transfer options, there are some limitations to consider. There might be daily or monthly transfer limits in place, depending on your account type. Additionally, some transfer methods might incur fees, so be sure to check Tide's fee schedule before initiating a transfer. Finding this information shouldn't be a hassle. Most fintech platforms, including Tide, have clear breakdowns of fees and limitations on their websites or within their apps. The bottom line, Tide and your money transfers. So, can you transfer money out of your Tide bank account? The answer is a resounding yes. You have multiple methods at your disposal, from ACH transfers to using your debit card. Just be mindful of any transfer limits or fees associated with your chosen method. Beyond transfers, considering the Tide ecosystem. Remember, Tide is designed for freelancers and entrepreneurs. While transfers are important, the platform offers a suite of features specifically tailored to this audience. These features can help you manage your business finances more effectively, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. So, while transfers are a key functionality, they're just one piece of the Tide puzzle. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and in control of your finances, no matter what kind of bank account you use.